Well, here we are at the front of the house. Still going to have some little shed roofs that will be coming over top of this window, and that one with metal. Still have to stain the posts and the ceiling. And they got all the paint done in one day on the outside and all the drywall done in one day. Let's go on in. We're Dave and Karen from Wax on Wheels. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our 2 Can-Am motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video. Here we are in the foyer. Here's the office. Everything's 9 foot tall, except for in the living room, it's 10. There's a closet. As you come down, there's the coat closet. All this will probably make more sense now with the drywall on it. There's the bathroom. This is the guest room. And I'm really glad we ended up with 3 windows in here. It looks really nice. My closet. This bedroom also has entry into the bathroom with a big 6-foot soaker tub. Obviously the toilet's back in there. We'll have a linen closet and a vanity here. And then you can walk back out towards the foyer. And in the foyer, we have a tray ceiling, which we will have tongue and groove or shiplap and some rustic beams. And then into the living room. Dave's going to be building bookshelves on either side of the fireplace. There's his drawer. He got it in. Now he's got to hone out a piece of wood for the mantle. Yeah, you can still get in here and get stuff out. This will be stoned towards the end of the project. And then here's our 16-foot door wall going out to the screen porch. You can see a very open concept. The ceiling in the living room is 10, and then it goes up with another 8 inches to a tray ceiling, which will have tongue and groove or shiplap and rustic beams, and in the kitchen. It drops down to 9 feet with a tray ceiling. And let's step outside. So, be a door right over here. This will be all screened in. Another door on that end. Got it all painted up. All the windows and door walls are black on the outside and white on the inside. This is all tongue and groove up here. There'll be 6 can lights up in here. The grill will be underneath that vent hood with a little side work table. And you can see Dave's house back there in the corner. Obviously, that's where the island's going to go. This is the dining area. And Dave's building a hand-honed beam with lights in it, chandelier to hang over the dining table. And then this is the kitchen area. Sink on the left and the island. Range over here on the right. Straight ahead and will be the refrigerator, and to the left of it will be a bar sink. And some cabinetry and shelves and such. Hard to believe it's finally happening. Coming back past the dining area is our pantry. This was going to have an automatic sensor for lights to come on when you walk in. And then this is the master primary bedroom. And it too has a tray ceiling. I'm not sure if we're going to put beams in here or not. The bed will be over the transom window. And then we got the walkout. We'll have a hot tub out there. And then there'll be a barn door here going into the bathroom for the primary bedroom. And this will have the 2 sinks. Good size shower. It'll be a 0 entry, all glass. Tile out here on the outside. This is our closet. Nice size closet. And the toilet will be there. Pocket door is not in yet, but there will be a linen cabinet here. This is the laundry room. It leads out to Dave's garage over there. There'll be a sink in here, and there'll be a pocket door over here as well, leading into the mudroom. So right now we're missing the door wall. Pocket door here. And then we're missing the pocket door right here. That leads out to the garage. This is the mud room, dog room, extra refrigerator, kegerator, whatever room it ends up being. And Dave's going to do the cabinetry for it, and the laundry room. And also in our office. And I need some assistance in trying to decide which light I want. I've looked at multiple flooring samples, brought the one I think we're going to go with, and I'll have you guys take a look, see what you think. So I've gone to probably 5 or 6 flooring stores and was having problems picking out flooring, because I wanted something a little bit lighter than our cabinets. Cabinets would be alder, rustic alder, with a dark walnut stain. That's that little piece right there. And then I found this flooring, which I'm liking because it's got some knots and stuff in it for being a little rustic, but it's not crazy colored. Sun Valley from Revolution Mills. And these are 7 inches wide by 60 inches long, which I think is good. How do you like the color? Let me know in the comments. The other thing I'm trying to figure out are the 3 pendants that will be hanging over the island inside the tray ceiling. So Dave's holding up 2 lights that I'm trying to determine which one I like the best. There'll be 3 of them over the island. This one on the right is the farmhouse look with the seated glass. And then, which is a little more traditional with the seated glass. It's longer, a little bit bigger. So I'm just wondering which style. They'll both have like Edison bulbs in them. I kind of like the one on the right because it has that country look to it, but I like the one on the left because of the size of it, because it's such a big area. And then I came up with a 3rd one. We haven't brought it to the house, but I can show you a picture of it. I think the third one is kind of a combination of the other two, and because of its size being much bigger, I think it'll work out better. So I think that's what I'm going to go with. What do you think? Then I had to go through and choose lighting fixtures and all kinds of other stuff. And I use Amazon because I used their discounts for that Prime Day weekend that they had. And I purchased the lights for everything, internally and externally, security lights, lights for the RV garage. I did get that done, and I had it all shipped over to my builder's house. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.